Your time is precious. With tutor booking, you can connect with students who value it. Students can easily find and book you through customizable filters to match their needs. One-on-one tutoring sessions ensure faster and more effective problem solving. Tutor booking, making every moment count. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage bookings for your tutor sessions. First, head to the add-ons page and make sure the tutor booking add-on is enabled. Then, go to the tutor booking page to create your booking. Click Add Booking to create a new booking. Give it a title and a description. Then, upload a booking cover image. Select the class type, either pre-recorded or live class. Choose the time zone and set the duration for a single session. Next, decide if this is a one-time booking or if you want to offer repeated availability. Schedule your available days and times, setting a start and end time for each session. You can add more days as needed based on your availability. Now, categorize your booking by adding relevant tags and private booking information. Finally, click the Add Booking button to create your booking. Congratulations, your booking is now live. If this is a paid session, you can set a price. This is what your created booking will look like in the booking list. And that's it, an overview of how to make your booking available for students to book with you. You can keep the booking individual or add it to a course. Let's now show you how to add it to a course. To do this, create or edit a course. Then click the Add Content button in the course builder. Select Build from Existing and choose your booking. Save the updates to your course, and your booking will now be embedded. Here's what it looks like once it's added to the course. We hope this helps you easily manage bookings from students. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.